Hello, all, and welcome to today's lesson for Tuesday, April 20th, 2021. For today's lesson, we'll be focusing on chapters 6 through 8 of A Long Walk to Water. Make sure that you do your attendance, and I'll kind of walk you through the steps for today's assignment. So we will be focusing on these next few chapters on the vocabulary found in the text, along with identifying the gist. So step 2 says complete the vocabulary graphic organizer for chapter 6. You will need to reread the chapter to use context clues to develop your definition. So what are context clues? Context clues are words that are surrounding or text that is surrounding the word to help you come up with a definition. So you're using the clues surrounding what's happening, what's taking place in the text to come up with your definition. If that is too difficult, you can always use the dictionary. However, you need to make sure that your dictionary definition matches the context of the text. So for your vocabulary, you will click on this link here, and this document will show up. The first word generation has been done for you. Our next word is makeshift. You can find that on page 33. Hopes were dashed, page 34. Solemn, page 35 to 37. Soapy, page 36. Aroma, page 36. And the cold fist gripped his heart, referring to Salva, page 38. So use your context clues. You will type in your definitions in the space provided. After you complete the vocabulary for chapter 6, you will read chapters 7 and 8 of A Long Walk to Water. Here is the audio if you want to follow along with the audio. If you have the hard copy of the text, the physical copy, you can use that, and you can also locate a copy of the text here under course material, text, A Long Walk to Water. And so you'll just locate chapters 7 and 8, and you can follow along there. After you read chapters 7 and 8, you will complete the gist for chapters 7 and 8. So you should have done this for chapter 6. If you did not, please make sure that you do it. And this document is located back up again with the course materials. So you have your chapter 6. If you did not do chapter 6, make sure that you do chapter 6. You have chapter 7, what is Naya's story about? What is Salva's story about? And chapter 8. Now, both of these chapters, 7 and 8, together is a total of 15 minutes. So it's not going to take you that long to read each chapter. So after you finish chapter 7, go ahead and fill out the gist for what Naya's story is mostly about and what Salva's story is about. And then continue on to chapter 8. All right, let's continue. After you have completed the gist of chapter 7 and 8, you will complete the vocabulary chart for chapters 7 and 8. So again, you will go back to your vocabulary and you will complete the definitions for these words. We have terror, on page 40, Puzzled on page 42, Reeds on page 43, Papyrus on page 43, Shallow Canoes, page 43, Prowl, page 44, Monotonous, page 46, and Abundance, page 47. Now, during the next class meeting, we will discuss these vocabulary words. So it is important that you have attempted to complete these charts for chapter 6 and 7 and 8. And you do not turn in this chart until we have completed chapter 10. So just make sure that you are filling this out as it is assigned to you. And that is your assignment for today. If you have questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to myself or Ms. Susanna. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you. Have a good day.